Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact support at tofro.com in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come on tofro.com and then log in into your account. Afterwards, click on the profile icon of yours in the top right hand corner of the screen. And once you are on this page, you will see a bunch of different details relating to your account, like your UID number, your email address, and your authentication details. Over here, if you scroll down a bit, you will see two different options of contacting customer support at Tofro. The first is the help center. So if you click on this option, it will redirect you on this page where you will see a bunch of different articles that you can read and you can find solutions of your problems. But if you want to contact directly to an executive at Tofro, you can click on the customer service option and it will redirect you on this chat page. Now this chatbot is open 24/7, so you can just type your query or your message here. You can upload your screenshot and you can simply click on the send option. Then you need to wait for some time until Tofro assign any assistant to you with whom you can basically contact and ask for support. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.